Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing this beautiful holiday glam look. It's kind of like a cranberry glam, or you know, something of the sort. But I really love this look. I think it's really pretty, really festive, and you know, it's just giving holiday glam, okay? So if you guys like this look, would like to see how I achieve this look, then feel free to keep watching. But before y'all do, make sure y'all like this video, make sure y'all comment and subscribe if you are not already. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so first things first, of course we are going to be brushing out our eyebrows to get them ready. So then we are going to be using our Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and Granite and just filling in our eyebrows. Alright, so now we are going to clean up these brows using our Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chestnut. To lay these brows down, we are going to be using ColourPop's Brow Boss Gel and Clear. Alrighty, so now we are done with the brows. We can move on to the eyes. So we're going to be priming our eyes with that same concealer that we used to clean up our brows. So tapping into our Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, the first color we're going to tap into is Jax. So the next color we will be using is Hunt's, which is a nice orange shade to kind of blend everything out. Now we're going to use our NYX glitter primer on our lid to prime it for some shadow. now tapping into the shadow Cran Apple, we're going to put that on our lid. So now tapping into this shade SBN, we're just going to add that right on top of that Cran Apple shade, and it's going to make it really bright and really pretty. Using our Kat Von D tattoo liner, we're just going to add a little bit of liquid liner right above our lash line. Using our Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara, we're going to prep these lashes for some bossies. Of course, y'all know my new favorite primer is by Smashbox. It is the Photo Finish Smooth and Bare Primer. Tapping into our holy grail, we are going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Tiramisu. Using our same concealer, we are going to highlight under our eyes, down the bridge of our nose, forehead, and on our chin. Using our Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Mahogany, we are just going to warm up this face a little bit. Alright, now to set everything, we are going to be using our Fenty Beauty setting powder and nutmeg. Now that we have brushed all that powder off of our face, we are going to add some blush. So this is the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in Bang Bang. Finally, to pull everything together, we are going to be using our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Of course, y'all know we are going to support black businesses all 2020 and furthermore on. So I shopped with Dope Lashes and I got this amazing lash palette. So I will leave her information in the description box so that you guys can go and check her out. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all really enjoyed this Cranberry Glam. I really like it. It's really festive. It's really cute. It turned out so well. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.